think there are less roles written for older actresses as opposed to actors. It's a very male-dominated society. Our society is also, male-dominated industry, but our society is also male-dominated. So these are the facts of life, and people feel that it's the male actors who bring in the audience. It might be changing now, but this is what people firmly believe. So I think that could be one of the reasons why less roles are written for, and it's for women. And it's very difficult to find finance for female-oriented films. At the end, we just won't have to issue certificate, and if we feel something is a little adult, so we give it an A certificate. So it's not really very difficult. And we have regional offices, regional officers, we have panel members. So it's a huge body that is, the chairperson just has to, as I said, do a little bit PR with the civil society, because the majority in the middle, there is one lot that they want to do away with censorship altogether. There is another lot very forward-looking, and they don't want any censorship. And some are very regressive and they object to most things,
Right.
But the majority in the middle want some kind of, like Grand Masti, for instance. That was a terrible film.
It didn't release here.
Yeah, it shouldn't release. It shouldn't have released anywhere. It was that bad. I feel very strongly that it was terrible.
Yeah.
It went through. And well, some other films didn't, The film on Muzaffarnagar, the film on Kashmir had problems. So you can't please everybody. But since I've been in that position, I don't like to comment on today's on today's CBFC.
Okay.
Because I don't think it's right. Once you've left a post and you've been part of it, you shouldn't sit on judgment on other people. The government does not have any say in that. CBFC is really an autonomous body, and once they pass a certificate, even government cannot overrule it.
Oh, is that so?
But the tribunal is very much legal. It's there. Like if CBFC, the producer can go to the tribunal and appeal, and the tribunal can pass, or either they can uphold CBFC's judgment or reject it. There were a lot of challenges. There were a lot of street censorship in my time. A lot of people were, Da Vinci Code and Jodha Akbar and Fana, I think so, in Gujarat. So, there were a lot of films were banned because there was creating law and order problem. I don't believe it. I feel there is only some vested group who need visibility, and they attack these big films and give this feeling that something will go wrong, which in fact, and then the government gets, and the law and order is a state concern.
Yeah.
So the centre has nothing to do with it. So if the state feels that this release of this film will cause a law and order problem, then they withdraw the film. I just feel people are crazy. Once upon a time they didn't like it, then suddenly it becomes a cult thing. I don't know. I don't worry about it so much. I lead my own life. There is just one me, and then many people out there. They can say what they want, good things or bad things. But, it's just me. I can't wait for their approval or their disapproval. I lead my own life. I don't know. I just take one day at a time, and I'm quite a happy and content person. I love gardening. I love reading. I like listening to music. I have a lovely home in Kotodi, which keeps me. I go there. That's my utopia. It's a getaway place. And something might happen tomorrow.